Chiliz value equivalent to $0.258 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $0.2 to $20.1.261. The earlier day close $0.2239. The change was plus 0.19 plus 153%. Opposite rate US to CHC. Chiliz estimate for May 2024. To start with cost, it's on $14. Exorbitant cost 0.17, while low costs in 14. The normal for the month $15. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.16 to change for May 14 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost it's only $16. Excessive costs 18, while low costs on 16. The normal for the month $0.17. Chiliz cost figured toward the month's end $0.17. Change for June 6.3%. Chiliz figure for July 2024. Before all else cost at $17. Exorbitant cost $19, while low cost $0.17. The normal for the month $18. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $18. Change for July 5.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $18. Exorbitant cost $19, while low cost $17. The normal for the month $18. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $18. Change for August 0%. Chiliz gauge for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $18. Exorbitant costs $20, while low cost $18. The normal for the month $19. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $19. Change for September 5.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at $19. Exorbitant costs $20, while low costs $18. The normal for the month $19. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $19. Change for October 0%. Chiliz gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at $19. Exorbitant cost $21, while low cost $19. The normal for the month $20. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $20. Change for November 5.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $20. Excessive cost $22, while low cost $20. The normal for the month $21. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $21. Change for December 5%. Chiliz figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $21. Excessive cost $24, while low cost $20. The normal for the month $22. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $22. Change for January 4.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $22. Exorbitant cost $24, while low cost $20. The normal for the month $22. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $22. Change for February's 8%. Chiliz conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at $22. Excessive costs $24, while low cost $20. The normal for the month $22. Chiliz cost figured toward the month's end $22. Change for spring 0%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $22. Exorbitant costs $28, while low cost $22. The normal for the month $25. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $26. Change for April 18.2%. Chiliz estimate for May 2025. Before all else cost at $26. Exorbitant costs $29, while low costs $25. The normal for the month $27. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $27. Change for May 3.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $27. Excessive costs $30, while low costs $26. The normal for the month $28. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $28. Change for June 3.7%. Chiliz conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $28. Excessive costs $28, while low costs $24. The normal for the month $27. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $26. Change for July 7.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2025. To start with cost it's $26. Excessive costs are $30, while low cost $26. The normal for the month $28. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $28. Change for August 7.7%. Chiliz figure for September 2025. Initially cost at $28. Excessive costs $34, while low cost $28. The normal for the month $31. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $32, change for September 14.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at $32. Exorbitant costs on 40, while low costs are 32. The normal for the month $35. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $37, change for October 15.6%. Chilliz conjecture for November 2025. At the outset, cost at $37. Excessive costs $37, while low cost $29. The normal for the month $34. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $31, change for November 16.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $31. Excessive costs in 31, while low costs 24. The normal for the month $28. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $26, change for December 16.1%. Chilliz figure for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $26. Excessive costs 26, while low cost 20. The normal for the month $24. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $22, change for January 15.4%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $22. Excessive costs 28, while low cost 22. The normal for the month $25. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $26, change for February 18.2%. Chilliz estimate for walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at $26. Exorbitant costs 29, while low costs 25. The normal for the month $27. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $27, change for spring 3.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2026. To start with, cost at $27. Excessive costs 27, while low costs 21. The normal for the month $25. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $23, change for April 14.8%. Chilliz figure for May 2026. In the first place, cost at $23. Exorbitant costs 23, while low cost to 18. The normal for the month $21. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $19, change for May 17.4%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else, cost at $19. Excessive costs 21, while low cost to 19. The normal for the month $20. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $20, change for June 5.3%. Chilliz figure for July 2026. Before all else, cost at $20. Excessive costs 25, while low costs 20. The normal for the month $22.